Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So today's video is super freaking exciting because it is my empty apartment tour. To show you all around this amazing place that me and Asha have picked out for ourselves. Like, we're going to be here for a while. I love everything about it. It is a 1,100 square foot townhouse. It's small, I know, but I love it. I love the windows. I can't wait to show y'all these windows in the living space. Like, they're amazing. I've always wanted windows like this, and your girl got them. I always wanted stairs. I've always wanted a unit that was fully hardwood flooring. I'm sure it's not real hardwood flooring, but you know, it's the illusion and it looks good. So happy for that. And yeah, like, I love. All right, so as you enter the front door, there is a staircase. Love that. Love that the entire unit is, like I said, fully hardwood flooring. But my favorite part of this unit is these bay windows. I cannot wait to do something with that. Super excited. I love that there's no strings on the windows. Like, how cool is that? No strings attached. B. So what you do is just lift them up like that, and they stay. And then when you pull them down, you just pull them down like that. It's a little bit hard to do, but just pull them down like that. Yeah. So yeah, love that for us. So this is the living space. I really don't know how I'm going to decorate this area. I do know that I'm going to have a super nice comfy couch here. And this is the space I will assume for the television to go. It's not that big. My TV isn't that big anyways. So I have a 55-inch and I feel like that should fit. It should fit. So in this area here is the washroom. So it has a washer and dryer connect. Your girl gotta buy a washer and dryer. You know, if you wanna donate, help a sister out. Yeah, so that's the washer and dryer area there. So this unit is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This is the kitchen area here. A nice little area for a dining table. Also a really cool one on IKEA that was very inexpensive. Your girl gonna have IKEA throughout the house. I'm gonna just let you know now. So this right here is the powder room. So the half bath here. That's me. Hey girl, hey. This is the toilet. And so you will see throughout the unit that the cabinetry just repeats itself along with the tops of it. I really like this here, super fancy. I like that a lot. And then this is our lighting fixture here, super cute. They have like a little plug there. Moving right along, we are in the kitchen area. So the kitchen is a little weird for me because it's like, okay, well maybe the refrigerator goes right there, but it doesn't. That's the dining room area. The refrigerator is over here in its own little corner, and I'll probably put my little mop and my broom there, and maybe the trash can will go there as well. So nice stainless steel appliances. And this is the fridge. And y'all, I want to do like the little organization system in here. This is the biggest refrigerator I've ever had in an apartment, by the way. Not that, you know, I cook like that, or my fridge is super stocked all the time, but maybe, you know, maybe we're gonna do something different this time. But yeah, I want to do the organization system in here, and I'm excited. All right, so right here we have our stove here. Like I say, stainless steel appliances. Oh, that's super cute. It opens up and it's blue. Cute, cute, cute. And you just have the microwave here. Love that it's not white on the inside. Love that for us. Some cabinet space here. A little wet bar here. I love this sink. Love that. And I can't wait to get one of those little rolling racks that y'all see on Amazon. Put that right there. Get a nice little wine rack right here and something to hang my wine glasses here. And it also has a back door. Now, when I was looking at this unit, it said that it had a patio. Okay, it's no patio. I'm going to show y'all what they call a patio. This is supposed to be the patio. What? Ma'am, sir, no. Yeah. So back door leads into the kitchen. And yeah, so this is the first floor. So excited, so excited. Want to put me a nice little rug here, sofa here. I don't know if I want to do like a bench situation or accent chairs here. Probably going to do some accent chairs. I've already picked out my curtains, so I definitely have to get like the special units to put the curtains up with because it is a bay window and it's so freaking cute. But yeah. Oh, and I am going to do the smart locks in the back too. So I'm trying to make this like a smart home because your girl is feeling fancy, okay? Feeling super fancy. So that includes the first floor. So we're going to go to the second floor. We're now on the second floor, so immediately when you walk up the stairs, you see 2 bedrooms, and the first room is going to be the master bedroom, and then the second bedroom we're actually going to convert it into a flex room. So it's going to be like my office, Asha's office for her t-shirt company Drudge, and basically the YouTube film room. So yeah, can't wait to show y'all what they look like. So as you come up the stairs, this is what it looks like. So we have that first bedroom, and this is going to be the second bedroom, and then downstairs is downstairs. And when you're going downstairs, you see the front door. And right here we have the thermostat, and then I guess that's an attic. Doesn't look like we have access to it. I'm terrified of those anyway. So yeah, so we're gonna go into the master. So this is the master bedroom. So it has a ceiling fan in here. Hate that. I hate being cold, y'all. And then it has the little bathroom here. Like I said, the cabinetry and tops are repeated throughout the unit, and as well as the light fixtures. And this is the tub, shower kind of shower, not slower. What the heck? Shower combo here. Yeah. And then we come out here. We have a window. And what I like the most that it has 2 separate closets. I got my area. You got your area, girl. Like, I hated sharing a closet. So they're pretty decent size. It's not like a walk-in or anything like that, but it's pretty decent, you know, it's pretty decent. And then it's just the same size for this one. But yeah, like that it has the double doors in it. And yeah, I'm probably going to do some organization in here as well. I saw some things on Amazon, like some little dividers that I can put up here to put my bags, to separate them, because you know I like my stuff all nice and neat, you know. Can't help it, I'm a Virgo. We're definitely OCD and well organized, okay? I'm gonna do a queen size bed, 2 nightstands. I definitely don't like TVs in the bedroom, and it would be kind of weird because once you're in your bed, you're gonna put it on this back wall, you're facing the closets. But yeah, so that's that. And then right here, I'm going to probably put a long mirror. Scratch that, I'm not gonna put a long mirror. I'm gonna put a piece of nice artwork there and maybe some plants here. Okay, so this is the flex room. So pretty decent size here. You have your single closet there with double doors. And y'all, I am definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of this closet because it's not much storage in the unit, but this is a pretty decent sized closet. I mean, come on. I'm gonna be putting all of my filming equipment in here, like my lights, my tripod. Your girl been saving, so she didn't got her gear up. So I'm trying to learn how to use this stuff, y'all, so I can get this content out and it looks great. But yeah, so this is the closet there. Love that for us. And room, like I said, it's a pretty decent size. This room also has a full bath in it. And okay, do I know how to turn the thing on? Okay, there we go. But yeah, full bath, same concept as the other bathroom. All right, so I envision the desk to go like right here, and then maybe some shelving over here, and maybe do like a plant situation in that area there. And right here, I wanted to do maybe a setup for Asha. I wanted to do like a garment rack here and get like her logo at the top of the garment rack. And her product, of course, would be on there. And I saw a garment rack on IKEA, so it has the little rack and it also has shelves on the bottom. So I saw that, I was like, okay, cool, that would be perfect. So get that for her right there. Some type of seating in this area here. I initially wanted to do like a beanbag, but I don't know. We'll see. Either a beanbag or something that will probably let out into like a twin sleeper. Because like I said, this is a flex room. So when I have company, they're gonna bring their little butt up here and they're gonna be sleeping up here and not on my couch, because the couch that I want is expensive. It is like cream. So yeah. Nope. Guest room, flex room. There you go. So yeah, that concludes the second floor. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that y'all stay tuned because I have a lot in store for this unit. Like, I'm so excited. Y'all have no idea. If you are my friend or my coworker, y'all know how much I talked about this, how much I manifested this. It may not seem like much to some people, but I'm like super happy. Like, oh my God. So I'm definitely going to make a series. I'm probably going to do some decorating room by room. I'm going to be doing like a lot of how-tos and things like that. I'm going to put that degree to use because girl, it's just in a closet somewhere doing nothing. And so I hope that y'all ride this wave with me, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video and this channel so you're updated every time that I post a video. Hit that notification button. I always like stutter when it gets to that part. Hit the notification button, girl, so you will be notified when I upload the next video. Okay? Thanks so much for watching.